Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A53s, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings application, and now just tap to the sounds and vibration section. Now just scroll a little bit more down and you'll see the default notification sound. Now we get the harp one. Just tap here to change your notification sound. Here you can set one from your custom files. Just tap there. And here, if you get some music on your device, download it from the internet, for example, you can set this notification sound, or also you can just select one from this default notifications. And for example, we can go with the relax one, and now just go here back, and as can you see, we just successfully changed our notification sound to the relax one. So how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.